Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's kitchen. Today we are going to make Dal Tadka. At the end of this recipe, I am also going to share with you some plating ideas. So let's get started.
For this, we need 0.75 cup split pigeon beans, 0.25 cup split and dehusked brown lentils, 0.5 cup split and dehusked moong beans washed and soaked for half an hour, 5 cups of water, 1 inch ginger finely chopped, 4 green chilies finely chopped, 2 teaspoons salt or as per taste, 0.5 teaspoon turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons Kashmiri red chili powder. For temper 1, we need 1 tablespoon ghee, 0.5 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 medium onion finely chopped, 4 garlic cloves roughly chopped, 1 inch ginger finely chopped, 1 tomato chopped, 2 teaspoons salt or as per taste, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder and 0.5 teaspoon turmeric powder. For temper 2, we need 1 tablespoon ghee, 4 garlic cloves sliced, 3 whole dry red chilies, 0.5 teaspoon Asafetida and 0.5 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder. We also need coriander for garnishing. Now for the recipe, in a pan add all 3 soaked dals with 5 cups of water. To this add green chilies, ginger, salt, red chili powder and turmeric powder. Mix this and turn on the flame to high. Once the water is boiled, lower the flame to medium and cover and cook until the dal is mushy and thick. For temper 1, turn on the pan on medium flame and add ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds starts to splutter, add chopped onions. Once the onions are slightly brown, add chopped garlic and ginger and cook until the raw smell of garlic is gone. Add chopped tomatoes and salt and mix everything together. Cook on medium flame until all the moisture has evaporated and ghee starts to ooze out. This process takes around 10 to 15 minutes. Once the ghee starts to ooze out, add turmeric powder and red chili powder. Mix everything together with a dash of water. The water is added so that the spices don't burn. After cooking for 2 minutes, add boiled dal to this. Mix everything together and bring it to a boil. Once boiled, lower the flame and cover and cook for 15 minutes on low flame with stirring in between. Your dal with one temper or tadka is now ready. Transfer this to a serving dish. Now for temper 2, in a small pan on medium flame, add ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add whole red chilies. To this add sliced garlic and cook until the garlic turns light brown. To this add red chili powder and asafetida and cook for a minute. This temper 2 and prepared 1 temper dal tadka will be combined in plating. Now let's get started on plating. For plate 1, add chopped coriander on top of the dal. On top of this, add hot temper 2. Place the dal and cumin rice on a platter and garnish the cumin rice with coriander. Your dal double tadka is ready to serve. For plate 2, in a funnel, add cumin rice and place it on the center of the plate. Add prepared dal on the remaining areas of the plate. Top it up with temper 2 and garnish with coriander. Your dal double tadka is ready to serve. For plate 3, add some dal in a martini glass. On top of it, add cumin rice. To this, add another layer of dal. Garnish with coriander and then add temper 2. Top it up with some lemon juice. Your dal double tadka is ready to serve.
Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.